Tesla is on course to selling nearly 1.3 million Model Ys in 2022. Here is a very handy accessory from a brand called Vicseed. They sent me this accessory to try out. It is a magnetic phone mount for those who prefer to use their phone's navigation. To be honest, I have not been happy with the accuracy of the Tesla maps.
I'm sure many of the Tesla owners who are watching this video can relate to it.
Unless I'm going on a road trip and I need to navigate to the nearest supercharger, I rarely use the Tesla maps. I just prefer to use Google Maps on my phone. So a mount like this is very convenient if you want to quickly navigate a short distance. The phone mount is made well, is space gray, and blends well with the gray back of the Tesla screen. When you don't need it, just fold it away and you won't even know it is there. The adhesive that is used to attach the mount is very strong, so you have to be very sure where you're placing the mount. Luckily, the packaging comes with a very neatly folded measuring tape to make sure that you're precisely placing the mount. The only downside is the phone mount is not a charger, but that is fine. I already have a wireless charger when I need it.
Anyways, I'm not a big fan of dangling cables.
As a content creator and for those who love to capture moments during road trips, this accessory can be also very helpful if you want to take a quick time lapse, video or photos.
It's not a bad option to also have the accessory mounted on the right side for the passenger.
I highly recommend an accessory like this. Very soon, the Tesla Model Y is going to be the world's highest selling car. You're